Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to really condition your hair and have it look silky and smooth and very healthy in an overnight mask you could do at home just by simply using coconut oil. So here's my hair. I'm going to take the coconut oil. It's kind of hard when you just have it out of the container. I microwaved the coconut oil to make it really smooth and easy to apply. It is not warm to the touch at all. Coconut oil, when room temperature, is a solid, and when you warm it up, it becomes a liquid. So for easy application, we made it more liquidy. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingers for this, because it smells so good and it's really good for your skin too. Take my hands and put it right inside the coconut oil. And start at the root and go all the way down to the tip. Really saturating the hair. So what I ended up doing is tucking a towel into the top of my strapless top that I'm wearing, so I won't get any oil on my clothing, and because this will stain because it is oil. So just to protect the clothing, I just tucked in a towel. I have a mirror right down here so I can see what I'm doing. It's just easier for me to separate the hair. It feels like you're saturating the hair more when you separate it, because you can work on smaller spaces of the hair instead of working at the whole head of hair at once. Also work it into your scalp. Give your scalp a little massage with the coconut oil. It's really good for your scalp too. You cannot get a better conditioner than coconut oil. This feels so good. It feels so amazing. It just feels so silky and smooth and soft, and God, and it smells amazing. You're gonna love this. And I barely got into this bottle or this jar of coconut oil. This jar will probably last months doing this. Doing this at least, I would say, at least once every other week. But if you want to do it even a couple times a week, you can do it, and it will be really great for your hair. So my hair feels pretty saturated at this point. So now I'm just going to work it into the scalp. Give my scalp a nice massage. Really work the oil in. Keep my fingertips moist with the oil. Really work it in. I feel really saturated. So now put it on top of my head, because I'm going to wear this. I'm going to go to bed now. I'm going to sleep with this in my hair. Okay, so we're going to gather all the hair on the top of the head. We're going to take a hair tie. Go like this. Take the ends and tuck them right into the top of the hair tie like that. So it's making a nice little top knot like so. You want to take a towel or a couple of towels, place them on top of your pillowcase on your pillow, and sleep with this in your hair. Make sure you put some towels down on top of your pillow because it will get oily and it will get messy. You do not want to put your hair in a shower cap, because what you want to do is you want the oil to dry and become solid again. By putting your hair in a shower cap, it will lock the heat in there and it'll make it like drippy and liquidy, and it'll make it a mess. You want all, and it'll make it come out of your hair. You want all of it to stay in your hair. And so that's it. I'm ready for bed. So I'm going to go to bed now. I'm going to wake up in the morning. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to wash all this out of my hair. And then I'll see you tomorrow. And we'll see what a difference it made with my hair. I'm excited. I can't wait. See you in the morning. Good night. Hey guys. So it's the next day. I slept with the coconut oil in my hair all night. It went great. It wasn't messy at all. And I woke up the next morning. I took a shower. And this is the result. All I did was flat iron my hair. I don't even have product in my hair. My hair feels great. It smells amazing. And I'm really happy. I will definitely be doing this again. And yeah, I recommend it. You know, it was easy. It wasn't like as messy as I thought it was going to be. I slept with a towel on my pillow, and then I took like a little hand towel and folded it up and placed it behind my neck, so when I slept, it like, if it was going to liquefy a little, it would go into the towel and not down my back or anything. And it went great. I think my hair looks really good, and yeah, it feels great. It smells great, and I'm really happy. So I'm sorry it's so bumpy. I'm heading to an appointment right now, and I'm not driving, of course. Antonio's driving. Hi.
Hello.
But we'll see you in the next video, and next video will be a huge change for me as I'm cutting off my hair.